Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to talk about how to effectively use Instagram stories to promote your business. Instagram stories have become an integral part of many brands' marketing strategies. And today, we'll share with you the best practices and examples of accounts that are fully leveraging stories. Let's begin. First, tell your brand's story. Use stories to share narratives about your brand, products, or services. This could be behind the scenes of your manufacturing process, interviews with employees, or showcasing a new product. Example, at Lush Cosmetics often shares behind the scenes looks at how they create their natural cosmetic products. Interactivity is also important. Utilize polls, quizzes, and questions to engage your followers and gather feedback. This not only increases interaction, but also provides valuable data about your customers' preferences. Example, at Nike Running frequently uses polls to gather opinions on running events and products. Exclusive offers. Third way is to create exclusive offers. Offer exclusive discounts and deals only to your followers through stories. This encourages them to regularly follow your updates. Example, at Airbnb offers special discounts on rentals that are available only through stories. Collaborate with influencers. One of the most common ways is to collaborate with influencers in your niche to extend your brand's reach. Influencers can share your products or services in their stories, attracting a new audience. Example, at Sephora, often partners with beauty bloggers who showcase their products. Regular updates. And the most important thing is to post stories regularly to keep your audience interested and engaged. Variety in content keeps the interest alive and anticipation for something new. Example, at Starbucks shares daily stories, including product news, quotes, and interactive content. So, Instagram stories are a powerful tool for promoting your business. By utilizing these strategies and drawing inspiration from successful examples, you can significantly increase your audience's engagement and attract new customers. Start experimenting today and see how your audience responds to different types of stories content. Hope this video was interesting for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.